Are you on drive or on reverse? Uko unataka kwenda kwa mtaro? Nimalize leo. You should take it slow. Welcome to another video. Cuinix here. So leo, as you can see from the title of video, nafunza mtu kuendesha gari. So currently tunaenda to some local field where hopefully haezi gonga mtu. So yeah, okay. Yeah, some few minutes and we'll be there. So we are at a local field. It's actually a football pitch, but you're going to be driving on the pitch. We'll just be doing around it because they are super strict if you ever drive on the course, which is weird. Why would you drive on a football pitch? Yeah. So without further much ado, I will introduce you the person of interest today, and let me introduce them. So everyone, this is Vivian. She's usually behind the scene inside to shoot some videos. Hi. And she's a main support of this channel. And yeah, the only idea at times when I have nobody to help me shoot. And I think I'll put her Instagram right here so that you follow her if you fancy. So today I'll be teaching you how to drive an automatic car. Yeah, so basically today, basically with an automatic, it's like oh, by the way, we're in a paso. I know most of you know what a paso is. I don't know what you call it in your country, but we're in a paso, which is like a hatchback input clip. And yeah, so basically with an automatic you have 3 pedals. I don't know if you like, that's the gas, that's the brake, and right down there is the foot brake. I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, actually this one. Yeah, that's the foot brake. So, and here you have your gear lever, of which, let me turn it on, of which you can select your gears from parking to reverse to neutral to drive and sport, I guess, and whatever that means.
In a sport.
Yeah, so as in that is your basic layout of a automatic car. So just think of it like a go-kart on steroids. If you're Costea, there are 2 pedals, you can handle it. So, and plus I'm a very good teacher. I've taught many people. Hopefully yeah, hopefully we don't crash. So without further much ado, I guess I'll let you hop on the seat. So, yeah.
Yep.
So basically, V, what you want to do when you get into the driver's seat is like put on your seat belt, bruh. Put on your seat belt. And that goes there. So and like with the steering, what you want to do is like put your hand here and there. It used to be 9 and what, 9N? It used to be there and here, but because of airbags getting lethal, people prefer there, not there. There, yeah, there. So what you'll do right now, find that you're seated you're seated.
Oh, seated.
Where? You're seated comfortably. You're okay, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. So what I'll do right now is like put my foot on the brake.
Gun.
Okay, the brake is the middle one.
Yeah.
I use your other foot. Yeah.
Acha nitoe Crocs.
No. It's okay. Okay. So squeeze it slightly. Okay. Put some pressure on that thing. Okay, now turn the car on. So right now, the car is on. I know you cannot hear it, you guys, but Johnny gari imewaka. This is a quiet car. It's not like Pepsi. So what's next to do is like make sure your mirrors are adjusted well.
Yeah, I see.
You see, so that because you have to reverse to get over there. I don't know if you can see that car over there. That one. Yeah, the one that's driving. Yeah. So we need to reverse. So the first thing you need to do is like check behind using your mirrors. Do not see gives your shingo. So square driver lori hapa na gari ni ndogo. So you put it in reverse. It's actually R.
Oh, wait.
Okay, you press the button, press it.
Yeah.
And then punch it in reverse. It's in reverse. So you hear that beeping. It signals you that it is in reverse. So you let go of the brake.
Pole.
Yeah, pole. Yeah. So just let go of the brake, pole. Give it some gas. Little gas. Okay, little. Okay, turn the wheel on my side. Easy on the brakes.
What direction are we going?
We're going that side, but it's okay, you can. So change the gear lever from parking. I guess it's in parking. Yeah, and take it to drive. It's in drive.
Yeah.
Okay, release the pedal easily. Just you'll hear the car move. Yeah, we are moving. Come on, viewers, we are moving. Okay, don't go that side. Just go straight. Okay, straight. Okay, stop by slowly pressing on the brake. Yay, lesson 1. At least the jokes mamisha gari utaniua. So what next, what I want you to show you is like how to hit a corner. Let's say like somewhere you're like somewhere like in a parking lot, or just a normal corner.
Like this one?
Yeah, like this one. I want you to turn around. So what I'd advise you to do is like turn the wheel all the way to my side. Yeah, turn it till you hear it lock, and then release it kidogo. Yeah, kidogo tena. There. Okay, now release. We're still in drive. Release the pedal, the brake pedal, and slightly on the gas. Slightly. Yeah, just go with the car. Give it more gas. More gas. We are turning, people. We are turning. Okay, on the brakes. Ama ulikuwa unataka kupiga circle? Piga circle basi. No, do it.
Really?
Yeah, do it.
Okay. That's
Yeah, just the wheel. Just do it. But make sure when you are like going to unwind, give it gas.
Taki kwenda kugonga watu.
Hawezi gonga watu. More gas. Okay, now stop. Bana, your brake unasimamisha dunia. So while you're turning, you should unwind the wheel so that it faces to the front. Okay? Yeah. So not now while the car is in motion. Sawa. Okay. Release. You can do this. It's easy stuff. It's an automatic. That's what they call. How hard can it be? So yeah, easy. Don't take it fast. Just easy. Give it gas. Okay, now unwind the wheel to that side. Easily. Okay, easy on the brakes. While turning this side. Nice. Wazi unafanya nikaiti cha mzuri.
Ndio. Ni mimi ndio student.
I don't student. Kwenda. So I don't know. I think you can like maneuver yourself back to where we are. There.
Yeah.
You can.
I think so. There's
You
a
can.
kid on the road.
Just
It's
try
kinda
it.
scary, which is kind of scary.
Okay, do the braking procedure again. Some gas, then brake. Gas, then brake. Brake. Okay, now you turn the wheel that side. Pole pole.
Acha watu hii watoke kwanza.
Let them go play the ball somewhere else. So we go. Let's do this. Easy on the gas. Easy. Yeah. Easy. Let this guy pass. Just brake. Let him pass. Unaona si wewe peke yako unafunzwa kuendesha gari. Kuna watu wengi. This is like a sport. So yeah. Okay, at least umejua. Give it some gas because we're in a hill. Yay. Yay. Okay, back to there. And then you just do the stop procedure that I showed you.
Right street for the miners, yeah?
Yeah, right street. Tumalize leo. Okay, braking procedure. There. And yeah, you passed. Okay. You passed. That's good. Sijui nitoke nione vile unaweza endesha peke yako.
Tujaribu.
Oh hell no, you're gonna kill me. Unless you're comfortable doing that again.
I think so.
You can reverse.
Yeah, just don't yell at me so much.
Miss Jayal, mimi. Miss Jayal. So nimeamua naweza toka nje
Nayo.
na nione vile ana drive huku nje so that I can like give her some pointers. Hopefully she doesn't crash. Doesn't crash. But you're good, Celia.
Yeah, I'm good.
You're good. Yeah, she's good. So I'll see how she reverses and then I'll give her some pointers from. So easy on the gas. Are you on drive or on reverse? Uko unataka kwenda kwa mtaro? Nimalize leo. Till you hear it beeping, it's beeping. Yeah. So easy on the reverse. Release the pedal pole pole too. Stop looking at me, angalia mbele. If you do this, you've passed. Easy on the gas. Yeah, look at where you're going, don't look at me. Yeah, now brake. I don't know if I got that. I was just staring. So as in do a stop start procedure from here to there. From here to there. Yeah, mind you, your wheel is facing this side too. So yeah, you correct that again. Yeah, now it's centered. So start and stop here. Do not hit me. Come. Come. Yeah, give it gas. Do not hit me. Nice. That was awesome. That was awesome. So I guess tumemaliza test. How do you feel?
I'm a driver.
A driver.
Amazing and salty.
Tunapeleka na salty. What? So wachacha. Okay, now you put it back into park. And then wache driver ingie kwa gari. Lesson imeisha, nunua gari yako. So basically that's how you drive an automatic. If she can learn it and she basically knows nothing about cars, if she can learn it, anybody can. If you're a driver, usiogope kupatiana lessons. Chukua wazuri. And as always, thanks for watching. Be safe out there. The corona thing. Sanitize. Do what the government is telling you. And yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.